Hi guys, it's Adam from Car Nation Direct here. Today I'm going to show you a 2017 Nissan Rogue SL. It's got the 2.5 liter engine in it. Some of the features I love the most about this thing is the appearance from the front end. It looks really nice, guys. Moving a bit to the back, we got the wheels here. They got a nice 19-inch rim on them that look styling for the color of the car. It's got awesome markers on the headlights for great visibility. Kind of moving closer to the back here, it's got a really nice rack on it. It's got tinted windows in the rear. Hi guys, so I'm gonna do a little how-to here because I get a lot of questions on what this little black button does. So basically, it's a keyless entry, so it's got a proxy key to this car. So all you have to do is walk up, don't even have to take your keys out of your pocket, just hit the button, and your door magically opens up. So here at the back of the Rogue, I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite features about this thing. It's got the most storage space and convenience for shelving. You've got tons of storage space in this thing, and you can customize it to however you want, which makes it very versatile. It's even got its very own privacy screen, so you can hide all your goodies. Alright guys, now that we're in the inside of the Nissan Rogue here, some of my favorite features about this thing is it has memory seating. Because I know one thing, a big pet peeve of mine, is when you get into a car and your seat's not where you left it. Biggest issue for me. A really nice thing about this car is it has a heated steering wheel and seats. It's got this stylish steering wheel to it, gives it kind of like a sports car feel. It's got a four-wheel drive lock on it, so in case you get into a sticky situation. It's got a Bose sound system in it. It's also got a touch screen, which is nice and styling, and it's got adjustable rear seats. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video on the 2017 Nissan Rogue here. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to come down to the dealership at 4315 North Service Road and come take a look at it. That's again, my name's Adam, and come ask for me. Thanks guys.